Hello guys, what's up? I'm Taufiqur Rahman. Welcome to my programming channel. And today I'm going to make video tutorials on how to remove the middle part of a package while renaming the package. So, for example, our package name is com.ruetgmail.taufiqur.howtoguide, and today I'm showing you how can you change it to com.mydomain.myapp. So the middle part will be removed and the package name will be renamed. So let's open a project, and you see this is one of my project, how to guide app, and its package name is com.ruetgmail.taufiqur.howtoguide. So let's change it to com.taufiqur.howtoguide. At first select project, and you see this is our package name, and then select the hide empty middle packages, and you see this is the package com.ruetgmail.taufiqur.howtoguide. Let's remove the middle portion, ruetgmail. For that we need to replace the path. Click Ctrl Shift R. I'm repeating it, Ctrl plus Shift plus R, and you see this is our package name. Copy it, Ctrl plus C, copy, and then paste it, and then again paste it. This time remove the middle part, then click replace all. Okay, continue. Okay, it's working, and you see this time our package is renamed to com.taufiqur.howtoguide, and then drag it and drop it under com. Click OK. Yes, refactor, do refactor, and then you see there is no files under this package, so right click it and delete it. Delete. So now our package is renamed to com.taufiqur.howtoguide. We are going to make it com.mydomain.myapp. So right click it, refactor, rename, rename package my domain, do refactor, and then right click it, refactor, rename, rename package my app, refactor, to refactor. So now our package is renamed to com.mydomain.myapp. Copy it, Ctrl plus C, then go to build.google, and you see here you need to paste the recent package name, and then go to Google services, and here paste it, and it's okay in the manifest file. Then click sync now. Okay, yes, you see the Gradle syncing started. Let's see what's happened next. Gradle is configuring the project. Gradle is still running. Let's wait for a while. Come on. So you see, Gradle build is completed successfully. That means you are now we have successfully renamed our package from com.readgmail.tofikur.how to guide to com.mydomain.my app. So for today, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.